Applied learning. In these international consulting projects, we take students abroad.
We work on real projects for real companies.
For this particular one, we went all the way to Madrid.
I got to not only live in Madrid for 2 weeks, but I also was really into the business environment.
Obviously, you're going abroad, so you get to experience a new culture, new language, new people, but you also have the experience of how they do business and how they're interpreting data themselves.
Data is an international language, but how different cultures approach working with data and problem solving is something that you can really only experience by being there.
When you talk about things like financial analytics, marketing analytics, you're only wondering how they're doing it. Over here, you get to do it.
For a little reality check on okay, what am I going to expect in the real world?
Beyond the analytics side of things, it's such an awesome experience for the students. They really become bonded and connected as a team. They come out of it knowing a lot more about each other and certainly in the process knowing a lot more about themselves.
The only thing is I wish it happened earlier because now I feel so close to them. When there's 15 of you and you all travel together, you all almost live together, there's sort of a weird friendship that develops.
It was definitely a consultant experience. We were in the office from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
A lot of it is how much you put into it too. So we were working pretty hard. Some of the employees, they were also super into this project.
This experience directly translates into the real world and it prepares the students for the jobs that they're going to have when they leave the program.
We worked very hard and to meet those client expectations. By the end of it, they were very happy with what we had provided them.
They were really relieved in the end. They're like, we finally know where to go now, because they had a list of things that they wanted to do.
It was really helpful for them, for us to actually be able to do this for them, because otherwise they wouldn't have been able to get to it till who knows when.
I feel with the experience that we've had there, I'm ready to go out and help people. I'm ready to utilize everything that I've learned to actually make an impact.
Do you think that's something you can add to your resume?
Oh, I've already added it.